In this video, we'll explore 3 extraordinary projects that are redefining the boundaries of what's possible with electric cars. From a V8 powered Tesla Model S to a diesel-electric hybrid and even a turbocharged Tesla Model 3, these builds are sure to captivate gearheads and electric enthusiasts alike. Number 1 on our list is the Tesla Model S with a 430 horsepower Chevrolet LS3 V8 engine, created by the USA-based YouTube channel Rich Rebuilds. This project all started with one man's desire to break free from the constraints of electric vehicle infrastructure. Created from 2 totaled Tesla Model S cars, they set out on a mission to build a car that combines Tesla's sleek design with the power of a traditional combustion engine. The electric motors and battery were completely removed, and the potent LS3 V8 engine from a Camaro SS was installed to provide the necessary grunt to propel the heavy Tesla with authority. The team meticulously integrated the V8 into the Tesla's existing systems, ensuring that the onboard computer, climate control, and other essential features remained fully operational. Despite the extensive modifications, the car retains its original Tesla aesthetic, making this a truly unique creation. Number 2 on our list is a Tesla Model S retrofitted with a turbo diesel Kohler engine in the trunk, brought to life by the Warp team. This Tesla can run for an impressive 3,500 miles without needing to charge, thanks to its efficient diesel engine which achieves about 35 miles per gallon. This fuel consumption is similar to modern plug-in hybrids like Mitsubishi Outlander. The front of the car houses the cooling system and a diesel tank, optimizing space and functionality. This is the 3rd time the team has rebuilt this car, addressing previous issues like engine overheating and a loud exhaust to create a more refined and reliable hybrid. The diesel engine works like a big generator, increasing the Tesla Model S's range by almost 10 times. It can charge the car not only while driving but also when parked. Number 3 on our list is a Tesla Model 3 with a Volkswagen EA888 turbo engine, created by the Chinese YouTube channel Yish Garage. The EA888 is a 4-cylinder engine, and in this build, it's installed in the front trunk of the Tesla. The engine has been tuned to deliver 750 horsepower, boosted by a Garrett G30 turbo running at 2.6 bar. This engine was chosen for its compact size, allowing the team to retain the Tesla's electric powertrain. However, the project's status remains uncertain. The last video from the end of 2022 showed the engine running, but the car had not yet used it to drive. We wish Yish Garage the best of luck in bringing this ambitious project to completion. Which modification did you like the most? We're eager to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. If you've enjoyed these mind-bending Tesla modifications as much as we have, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We'll be bringing you regular interesting videos about insane car projects that push the boundaries of what's possible.